Hi guys, this video is on how to install the Xiaomi EU Rom in your Poco F3, Mi 11X or Redmi K40. And the prerequisites are unlocked bootloader, TWRP installed, and you need to remove all your Google accounts and remove your MI account, remove all your password and security. Then that's all, and you need to download the two files in your internal storage. The EU Rom should be there, and you need to download the latest TWRP and keep it in your internal storage. Now power off your phone and boot it to fastboot mode by clicking on reboot and press the volume up button so that your phone will boot to TWRP. Now wipe Dalek Art cache, then go into install, then wherever you have downloaded your ROM, click on that and click on swipe to install. Then the ROM will get installed. Wait for some time. So after the ROM gets flashed, okay, TWRP didn't get flashed, so you have to install it. Go to Advanced Install Recovery RAM Disk and select the TWRP image, and then swipe to install. Wait for it to install. After it gets installed, go to wipe, format data, then type in yes. Then okay, wait for it to get formatted, then reboot system. Yeah, now we have to wait for a long time because EU ROM takes a long time for the first boot, maybe even 10-15 minutes. So wait and don't panic. Yeah, you can see the boot animation. The EU ROM is installed. Okay, we have booted to the ROM. So you can see that the EU ROM is installed. So let me just put it to 120 Hz first. Yeah, now the phone is smooth. You can see the animations are working good and there are no issues with the ROM. And to make sure your TWRP is still there, click on reboot and press the volume up button. Yeah, the TWRP is still there. Okay, thanks for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe.